this Wednesday morning, I prepare ginataang laing, the specialty of Bicolanos in Bicolana. So, and everyone as wants to eat laing. So, this is very special. So, I prepared this morning. So, I have this ingredient. I prepare it already. So, I'll chop the garlic, the onions, and the ginger. I'll cut it into strip size, and then the fried fish. So it's up to you. If there is a dried fish, it's okay. So I have a fork. I chop in the smaller piece, and then I have the green onions, and then I'll put the pineapple tidbits to make the laing very smooth and more delicious. And then I have here the bagoong sauce. So because I don't buy the shrimp, the bagoong, so I have the sauce only. And then I have a coconut milk. I use 3 cups of coconut milk, the second squeeze of the coconut, and the third squeeze. So I'll mix it, and then the last one is I have the first squeeze of the coconut. So I put shrimp cube and then pork cube to make it more delicious. And then I have some ginisa mix, Ajinomoto ginisa flavor mix. I put some pinch of this to make our laing more delicious. So this, I already buy this in Pure Gold. This is already only the leaves of the laing. So it's already prepared. So I use this. So I'll start cooking. I turn on the stove, and then I'll put the 3 cups of second and third squeeze of the coconut milk. And then I'll put the laing leaves. This is 0.95 kilogram. So 51.30 pesos. So this is already prepared. Only leaves of the laing. And then, of course, while I'm waiting to simmer the coconut milk, so I already put the other ingredients. So I'll mix it everything. I'll put the garlic, I'll put the onions, I'll put the ginger, and then of course the pork. And then I'll put the fried fish. I'll make in the smaller piece. I make this smaller piece, the fried fish. And then, of course, I'll put shrimp sauce. So I'll make it a little, maybe 2 tablespoons of this. So this is already prepared. I am the one who prepared this also. So later I'll taste if the salt is enough. So I don't yet put the salt. And then I'll put the half cup of shrimp cube, and then half cup of pork nor cube, and then a little bit of ginisa flavor mix. And then I'll put the green pepper. And then I put the pineapple tidbits to make the laing leaves more smoother. So, I don't drain it. I put the juice the same with the tidbits. And then I'll put some cover to make our laing cook. The secret of the laing, don't mix it. So you wait until the coconut milk, until the laing already cooked. So don't mix. You wait for the laing to already cook. Then I'll put the 1 cup of coconut milk, the first squeeze of the coconut milk. This is 2 pieces of coconut. (30 to 45 minutes). So it's very long to wait if you try to cook the laing, ginataang laing. This is the more specialty of Bicolanos and Bicolanas, and all the people around the world like this ginataang laing. I cover it all of the laing leaves. The secret of laing is a lot of coconut milk to make the laing, ginataang laing is so delicious. So smooth, nice smell. Then after this, so we wait for 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. So I'll put the first squeeze of the coconut milk. Then cover it and then wait for 30 to 45 minutes until the laing leaves already cooked. So that's it. That is the secret of ginataang laing. So it's all up to you if you put some tinapas or other shrimp like crab, it's okay. So I'll wait this for 30 to 45 minutes until the ginataang laing is already prepared to serve. Thank you for watching.